Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's Jan's Crazy Life. Happy Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, whatever day it is. I have no idea when I was going to post this video, but happy whatever day it is with you. Today, let me see, is Wednesday for me. So I have a project share of all these cards. I get to the point to where I'm trying to make some cards I need to send out and some other things. So let's start with the thank you cards. So what I did was I punched out different hearts. So I have a punch. Let me see, do I have it on my desk or did I move it? I don't know. I was trying to put some stuff away. Stuff gets out of control. And then I have a 2-year-old that might have took off with it. Here it is. I didn't put it up. All right. So I have this cute little punch. And I just punched it out at the top. I have a big heart punch and a small one. And just kind of did some sewing up the sides. And it's pretty simple. And in the inside it says thank you. And has these little bitty hearts. So cute. So then there is this one. And it's kind of the same except for it has hearts over here instead of all the way up. And it says thanks. And the same in there. And then there is this one. Sorry guys. And kind of the same theory, same paper. And then that inside. And I made these a little while ago, but I'm going to show them because I never did. And then there's this one. This one's a little more simpler. Same thing on the inside. Always good to have some thank you cards available. And then there's this one. The funny thing is I was looking for these to send them out, but I ended up making some more, and then I found them when I was cleaning up. So then there's this one. This one is so cute to me. I just love the simplicity of it all. So cute. And then there's a blue one. And my little sewing, but it's so cute. And that's how that one looks. So then there's these, right? And these are my favorite, right? I love these. Look how cute these are. They're flowers with, and let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the detail. So I just drew leaves, sewed onto the mat these really cute buttons, and then stamped out thanks at the bottom. And this one looks like this. But the problem with these are, if you're sending a card to someone, one stamp, buttons, $3. Big difference in mailing cost. So these would be great if you're already sending something else. But if not, in an envelope, because of the buttons, it's very costly. So then I made some birthday cards on Tina's live yesterday. I will have her channel linked below. So if y'all want to watch that live, you can. But look how cute these are. So it's just a die cut. And so there's a lot going on. But it just says happy birthday. And then there's this one. It says happy birthday. And then there's this mint one. It's just all about hearts. Happy birthday. And then I love this one. And the plaid. So cute. So I hope you guys like this project share of happy birthday cards and thank you cards. If you guys have any questions, just put it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could